Today is about the meringue, gang. If you guys haven't already checked out episode 1, it goes into the details about the ingredients used to make French macarons. Meringue is the star of the show and it can really make or break your macaron batter. It's made up of fresh egg whites and granulated sugar, and I also like to use cream of tartar. There's a type of meringue, a simple meringue that you use to make meringue cookies or to put on top of lemon meringue pie or baked Alaska. Swiss meringue. A process that can be used for topping and filling cakes, prepared by gently beating egg whites and sugar in a pan that sits above boiling water, prepared with pasteurized egg whites. It's incredibly light and airy, yet rich and buttery at the same time. Not stable enough for macaron shells. These types of desserts are served either raw or cooked at a low heat. Because of this type of meringue is made with either pasteurized liquid egg whites or pasteurized powdered egg whites. Pasteurized meaning that the egg whites are subject to a process of partial sterilization involving the use of heat to make the product safe for consumption while also maintaining the quality. However, that type of meringue is not as stable. Therefore, we will be creating the type of meringue that uses fresh egg whites, granulated or caster sugar being superfine sugar, and cream of tartar. French meringue. Made by mixing sugar with raw egg whites, considered to be the most fragile and least stable meringue. As such, it will usually need to be baked, so it's best when folded into batters to give them lift and lightness. Not safe to eat uncooked. Ideal for macaron shells. You can also use Italian meringue, the most stable meringue, which is made by beating egg whites to firm peaks and slowly whisking in hot sugar syrup to produce a dense meringue with a satiny texture that is primarily used as is to top cakes and pies, but also in mousses and parfaits. Produces chewier macaron shells. As far as macaron making, get liquid egg whites and powdered egg whites out of your head. Get it out. Get it out, get it out, get it out. Get it? Got it? Good. The first thing to do is to separate your egg whites from your egg yolks. I would start out with using cold eggs. It is super easier to separate when they're cold. Once you become more experienced, you can use room temperature eggs. Meringue whips up faster with room temperature eggs, but I would not recommend it until you really know what you're doing. You have to crawl before you walk. Guys, trust me, I screwed up already, so you don't have to. Stick with me, I'll lead you guys to success. Okay, so let's do this meringue. So either in a bowl of a stand mixer or just a bowl, and you can use a hand mixer, place your egg whites and cream of tartar into your mixing bowl. Get it all in there without breaking your bowl. Cream of tartar is there to add stability to your meringue. It will also prevent from over whipping. Now you want to turn this on high and mix this until your egg mixture becomes frothy. You're going to now decrease your speed to low and slowly add your granulated sugar. Now you want to increase your speed to high and you want to whip it until the meringue looks over whipped. I can assure you it's getting there. Now we're cooking with gas. Remember, the cream of tartar is there to prevent over whipping.
Remember me?
Go ahead, over whip it. Make my day. I promise it will not be over whipped. If the meringue is still curling over like this means it's still at soft peak stage and it's not what we want. It's not ready. Mix it more. It's ready when the meringue has a little resistance to it when you try to stir it in the bowl, and when it looks like this. Clumps of clouds, pillowy goodness. Clumpy, kinda looks overmixed, but remember, cream of tartar, not overmixed. Kinda looks like Dairy Queen. Now you're ready to add your meringue to your dry ingredients. Batter up. Next week, it's all about mixing the batter.